Sir, there should be a few more, sir. I think last class there were 8 members.
Okay. Last class, there were for science class, there were 8 members, right?
Yes, sir.
Right now, we have one child joined right now. Okay, we'll wait for 5 more minutes, 2-3 more minutes. All right.
Yes, sir, sure.
Let's see. Let's see. Aman, can you hear me? Aman?
Yes, sir.
So, your class started for 9th class started in school?
Nope.
Okay. So, your class 8 just finished, right?
Yeah.
Aditi, in your school, you have started class 9th or?
No, sir, no.
And Sai Ahit, right? Your name is Sai Ahit, no?
Sir, Akhil, sir.
Akhil, all right. Akhil, actually, you have finished today only last exam, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. So all of you just, all of you on the camera now, Aman, Aditi, on your cameras.
Sir, can I keep my video off just for this class?
Okay.
Yes,
What
sir.
happened? Any reason?
The camera is not working properly, sir. So I have to switch mine off. It has to be off.
It's not working properly, means it's blur, or how is it?
Yes, sir, it's not at all clear, and that too, it has been raining heavily. So I'm not sure if I can.
Just try once if you can do.
Yes, sir.
Let's see the video quality, what's coming and all. Let me check just on how it shows. What is the error showing over there? Just let me know.
Yes, sir. I mean, there won't be any error, but I think the net will be unstable, sir. That's why.
Okay, once you try, if it is unstable, you just off, not a problem. Okay. Once you
Yes, sir.
try.
Okay, sir. So I'll just turn it off for now. If it's unstable, I'll turn it off.
All right. So let's start the chapter with polynomials. You heard the name polynomials before.
Yes, sir.
Okay. In class 8th, 7th, you have read polynomials.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is polynomial? What is the idea about polynomial? Tell me. What do you have idea? Anything idea about polynomials? Anything you know about polynomials?
Yes, sir. So polynomial, it's all basically dependent upon the number of terms in an expression or an equation, sir. So if it has only one term, then it's known as it's just a monomial, and if it has two, it's a binomial, and if it has three, it's a trinomial, and if it has more than that, it's known as a polynomial.
Okay. Anyone else? Aman, on your camera, child. Aman. Anirudh, can you hear me, Anirudh?
Yes, sir.
On your camera. So I'm going in bit more detail. Okay, what you're saying that is correct itself. Okay, we are going in more detail. What is polynomial and all. Okay, first of all, how do we identify polynomial? That is our question. Anything suppose mention x to the power -1, or if I mention 1 by x, or if I mention x to the power 1 by 2, is means you, as per you, Aditi, this is monomial, right?
Yes, sir.
So because we don't know the proper concept to us is not that's why you are just confusing whether it's polynomial or not. First, you should identify whether it's polynomial or not. Anyone just know what is polynomial? Again, how do you identify the polynomial? Okay, I'll just tell you what is polynomial and all. Okay, the first of all, you should check variable. What is variable? Anirudh, what is variable? Anirudh, unmute your mic. Tell me what is variable? Aman, what is variable?
So it's a value which you don't know.
Okay, so variable power, or you can say exponent. Okay, power or exponent. What is exponent? Sai? Sai, can you hear me? What is power
sir.
or exponent?
Power
We
means
gave-
a number raised to its
Okay, see, power or exponent of the variable should not be what? Aditi, should not be negative or fraction. Clear? Try to understand once again.
Yes,
In any term or something, what we have, generally we have terms like it's a full of variables and constant. So mainly we are bothering about variable like x, y, z. These are the variables is what? X, y, z, a, b, c. These all are what variables. The variable power should not be negative or fraction. It's clear. So what I given Aditi before example, no, like x to the power -1, x to the power 1/2, 1 by x. Actually, these all the three terms are not in, no, it's not a polynomial only, right?
yes, sir, because they're negative or they're a fraction.
Yes. The how this is negative? Can you tell me 1 by x how this is negative? Or how this is fraction?
Yes, sir. So whenever a number or a variable is raised to a negative exponent, then we write the reciprocal of that. So it can actually be written as x to the power of x to the power of -1,
So
or
this is
x to the
negative itself.
power, or
Yeah.
x to the power of anything which is negative. Yeah.
Good, very good. So you understood this why 1 by x is negative, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's the reciprocal.
All right. So now given this few example over here, I'll write root 2x. Is this a variable or not? Is this a variable? Is this a polynomial or not? Tell me this answer. I'll write root 2 root x. Then I'll write 3x square minus 3x and then 3 root cube root of 3. I'll write here cube root of 3. Okay. So first one, tell me, Aditi, first one is polynomial or not? Sai, tell me, you can hear me, Sai?
yes, sir.
So first one is polynomial or not? First one is polynomial.
Sir, I can't see the screen, sir.
You can't see the screen. Once again, I'll just close and again, I'll just share with you. Now just wait for 5 more seconds. Now it's clear. You can see now. Yeah, Aditi, can you tell
1
me
second, sir.
first one is polynomial or not?
Sir, it won't be a polynomial.
Okay, all right. It won't be polynomial as per Aditi. What about Aman? This is a polynomial. Second one. First one.
Sir,
First
it's
one.
not. Sir, it's not.
Yes, it's not a polynomial. Okay. Anirudh, tell me, is it a polynomial?
Yes, it is not, sir.
It is not. Sai, is it a polynomial?
No, sir.
Yes or no?
No, sir.
All right. What about the second one? Aditi, second one is a polynomial. Tell me all of you, just tell me. Aditi, Anirudh, Aman, Sai, Shruti, Sai, tell me. Say fast.
So 1 second, I'll rejoin. I can't see the screen, sir.
Okay, all right. Aman, tell me what is the answer for this? So 2 root x. Is this polynomial?
No, sir.
It's not a polynomial. Again, Anirudh,
No, sir, it won't be a polynomial.
okay. So now I'll ask you the question, okay? I'll ask you the question now. Why this is not a polynomial? Tell me, Aman. Why first one is not a polynomial? Tell me fast, Aman. What is variable over here, Aman? What is variable over here?
X.
X is variable. X is negative or in fraction? X is in negative or in fraction? Tell me. X is negative or in fraction?
Sir,
Aman?
negative. Negative.
Negative. Where is negative here? X is as it is. Now, where is negative X? Where is negative? I didn't find anywhere negative. Aditi?
Yes, sir. So actually, what's basically happening here is that it's actually a fraction, sir. It's basically x raised to the power of a fraction. I mean, 2x raised to the power of a fraction.
Root 2 is here, X is here. How you can write X to the power something? This is a root part, right? Here you
Yes,
can write
sir.
2 to the power 1 by 2, but X, why you should do with X? X is separate now.
Uh,
Correct what I'm saying?
Yes,
yes, sir. I know, but I just don't know how to say it.
Yeah, I understood. So now this is a polynomial, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear, children, everyone? See, X is normally generally is power 1, and here 2 is in root. So we are not bothering about root for constant term. All right, we are just seeing the X part of this. All right, X is a variable, so this is not negative. This is not in fraction. So this is a polynomial. Clear to everyone?
yes, sir.
Now, second question. What about second question? Now you tell me. What about the second question? This is a polynomial. Next. Second one. Who will tell me the correct answer? Aditi, tell me.
Sir, again, I think what's happening is that x is, so whatever's happening here is it's the same thing as x raised to the power of 1 by 2.
Okay, 2x to the power 1 by 2. Okay, next. So is this a polynomial? Sai?
It can't be, sir, as it's a
Not,
fraction.
sir. It's a,
So this is not a polynomial. That's the difference I just want to make you understand.
Yes, sir.
So x power negative is not acceptable over here, but variable, this constant term can be there. Okay, not a problem at all. That's right. Now 3x. It's a polynomial. It's a polynomial. It's what minus 3x?
Minus 3x.
Is it minus 3?
Sorry.
Say Aman.
it is not,
Huh? Anirudh, it's not a polynomial.
sir. It is a,
It is a polynomial. All right. So anyone just say minus 3x is not a polynomial, Aditi?
No, sir.
It's a
It
polynomial.
is a, yes, sir.
Sai, tell me, what about this cube root of 3? Is a polynomial or not? Sai, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Is it a polynomial or not? This one is a polynomial or not?
No, sir.
It's why it's not a polynomial.
Sir, I think it is a polynomial because anything raised to the anything under cube root 3 should be a polynomial.
If I write like this, then it should be a polynomial.
No, I mean in this case, I think it should.
So in this case, we are talking about variable. In this case, we are talking about constant. The constant
Yes.
term can have
Root 3.
root or power, this one, right? And variable cannot. This is not acceptable. For variable, this is not acceptable. So this can be polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Clear now? So this is the
Yes.
basic concept what you have learned right now. What is polynomial and how to identify it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Second part is coming that polynomial, we just having some categories over here. We can distribute here polynomial in two ways. We can just write the polynomials categorize in two ways. First, according to their degrees. What is degree? And second is according to their terms. All right. So what is degree, Anirudh? What is degree? That is power, no? X to the
Sir,
power.
I think it's exponent. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Exponent, degree, same thing only. So if degree is 1, if degree is 1, if degree is 2, what is the degree 1? What do we call for degree 1? Aditi, you are telling that according to terms. If one term is there, you told monomial, right?
Yes, sir.
This is correct one, but this is according to the terms, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, if you tell about according to the power, what is the degree 1? If degree 1 is there, which polynomial is this?
Oh, okay. If it's degree 1, then it should be monomial.
No. Term is 1. This is correct. This is the correct one.
Okay.
If you have only one
it's-
term, that is monomial. It's not
Yes.
power 1.
Oh, okay. So you're saying that something raised to the power 1.
Yes, like x to the power 1
Okay.
plus 2. Which kind of polynomial is this?
Binomial.
Binomial, you are telling correctly. Yes. So that is coming under terms, children. Okay. What you are told, binomial, this is for here. If you are having two terms, right? But what
Yes,
under
sir.
the degree part? That is my question. What about the degree part? So now I'll tell you, okay. So if you are having degree 1, we call it as linear polynomial. You know, heard about linear? Linear equation, linear polynomial, you
Yes,
heard,
sir.
children?
Sir, only linear equations, not linear polynomials.
Yes, equation in what is the difference, basic difference? If you write x plus 1 is equals to 0, this becomes what? Equation. This becomes what? Linear equation.
Linear
Right?
equation. Yes, sir.
If you write only x plus 1, this is polynomial. That is the
Oh,
only
okay.
difference.
Okay.
There's no much difference. Polynomial is, thus this part will come, and if you write equation means is equals to, equation is nothing but it should equate with something, right?
Okay, so it's basically just an expression and an equation.
Yes.
Okay.
So this
yes,
is one
sir.
example of linear polynomials. Clear, Aman?
Yes, sir.
So can you give another example of linear polynomial? Any other example?
Y plus 2.
If I tell x plus y, this is not a linear polynomial. What about this?
It is.
It is a linear polynomial.
It is a linear polynomial, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we are talking about 2. If it is 2 degree 2, then what do we call for degree 2? Degree 2 is known as quadratic. You heard quadratic. Heard about quadratic polynomial? Aditi? On your camera, I think your camera is not having any problem. See, every children has on your camera, but you have off. I don't think you have any problem with the camera.
No, sir. I mean, it's just affecting the net, sir. Your voice will break and also that's why.
So quadratic polynomial.
No,
What about
sir.
quadratic polynomial? See, it's having degree 2. So what is this? Any example? Can you tell me example of quadratic polynomial? Only power 2 you can take it. Anything.
X
Power 2.
square. X square.
X square you can write. You can write a square plus ab plus c. You can write, right?
Yes, sir.
Like this is a polynomial, quadratic polynomial. Suppose if you are having degree 3, what we call, Anirudh? Degree 3. Say fast, Anirudh, tell me faster. Anirudh, on your mic, just tell. You don't know means you just tell I don't know karke. Can you hear me, Anirudh?
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is about cubic polynomial? What is cubic polynomial? You know, what is cubic polynomial? What about cubic polynomial? Tell me fast.
Like example, a cube.
A cube, right?
Yes.
If degree 3 is there, you should write here cubic polynomial. Okay. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial is degree 3. Understood, Aditi?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear now, Sai? Can you hear me now? Or still you're having network issue?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
Yes,
cubic
sir.
polynomial is nothing but your example is you can write x to the power 3 plus anything like 2. So now 2x to the power square plus y to the power 3. This is our cubic polynomial, right? You can write in this way. So 2 can also be there, not a problem, all right? So this is cubic polynomial. Now degree 4. Anyone can tell me what is degree 4?
Sir, I
Sai?
think it's biquadratic polynomial. I think.
Biquadratic. So having degree 4, that is x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 plus x to the power 2 plus x, like this is there, right? So this is your biquadratic. Now coming back to terms, according to terms. Monomial. So example, what we write for monomial?
2x.
2x is monomial. All right.
3x.
What about x to the power 100? What about
Yes.
x?
Yes,
This is a
sir.
monomial. Power
Yes,
is not
sir.
having any value. Only one term you should think, okay? Only 2. This is only one term. This is also monomial. So like this, we have to write. Second one is if it is having 2 terms, then
Binomial.
Binomial.
binomial. Example for binomial,
2x plus 4.
2x plus 4, x plus y, right?
Yes, sir.
For 1000 plus 2, we can write anyways, right? Aman,
Yes, sir.
for 3 terms, Aman,
Trinomial.
trinomial. So x plus y plus z, 2 plus x plus y. What about degree 4? Sorry, terms 4. 4 terms are there then. You call polynomial.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
See, polynomial is coming under everything. These all are polynomial, not only 4. These all are the part of polynomial itself. Okay. So people are saying it's
Yes,
polynomial,
sir.
this 4 is polynomial. Trinomial is also a polynomial. These all parts of polynomial. See, if you are mentioning over here top only polynomial, it means what?
Yes, sir.
Only, right?
Yes, sir.
So normally you can say now for degree more than 3, this polynomial, or this is also polynomial, this is also polynomial, everything is polynomial. So 4 you leave off, this is polynomial itself, but these all are also a polynomial. Okay. It's clear to everyone according to terms and according to degrees and all, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I'll give one question to you people. Write a polynomial. Write a polynomial, or you can write a this one write a binomial having power. Write a binomial of degree 105. Of degree 105. Tell me. Write a binomial of degree 105. All of you write, tell me just separately. Okay. All of you
sir.
should,
X plus 105. X to the power of 105 plus 4.
okay, anyone else?
So y to the power of 105 minus 10.
Okay. Next.
Sir, B to the power of 105 plus 2.
Okay. No other ways, right? If I write here b to the power 105 plus a to the power 100, then this is, what is this?
Sir, it's a quadratic polynomial.
Same thing, no? See, binomial means 2 parts happen, 2 terms, right?
Yes, sir.
And degree is 105 only. It's correct, no problem. Degree is maximum power, all right? Degree is what? Maximum power of the polynomial. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now I just ask question based on degree. What is degree? Right now, tell me. What is degree? How do you
Anything,
polynomial?
anything which have power.
So max, suppose degree of a polynomial, right? I'm just topic is degree of a polynomial. Okay. How do you identify the degree? So degree is nothing but maximum. I'll write here maximum power of a polynomial. Maximum power of a polynomial. Okay. Suppose I'm writing here x to the power 100 plus xy. What is the degree of the polynomial?
100, sir.
How many terms are there in this? How many terms are there in this?
Two
Two.
terms.
This is the
Two
first term,
terms.
the second term. So this term is having how much degree? 100.
100.
100.
This term is having how much degree?
1.
1
One.
or 2.
1 and 1. This is one term, no?
Oh, okay. Yes, sir. 2.
So which is the maximum one? That is the degree of the.
100.
So here
Yes,
answer is 100. So in this way, we have to understand that the degree of the polynomial is what? 100, right? So I give one question to you people now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now I'll just tell you, write in the notebook if you want, x plus 3xy, b 2 plus 1 by x, then 3xy, 3 1 minute. Hello. Is only 3. Again, last one, this E1, C, D, this is D part. Y to the power 3 into plus x to the power 3. Tell me one by one. This is for Aman. Tell me answer for this. What is the degree of this polynomial? Degree you have to find. What is the degree of this polynomial? Yeah, tell me, Aman. I can't hear you.
3.
3. Degree is 3, you're saying. Correct, Aman?
Yeah.
What about Sai?
Sir, 2.
Okay. Anirudh?
Sir, 3.
3. Okay. Aditi?
Sir, 3.
So 3, actually this, how you are saying, I don't know. See, there are 2 numbers over here. This is there are 2 terms. Can you check it out? I don't know why people are confusing over here. I don't know. So this part is having how many powers? Only 1 degree. And this part is having 2 degree. So only 2 degree. We should not merge this both. We are merging the terms, right? See, x, y, z. So this is only 1 term. So our degree will be what? What is the degree over here? 3. Understood? This is what?
Okay.
3 over here. It is only degree 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. So we should see the terms degree, all right? Like 2 term, 3 term, 4 term, all right? So suppose you are having x, y, z plus 3 plus 2x plus 9yz. So there are 4 terms over here. This is the first term, second term, third term, fourth term. So which is the maximum degree over here? We have to check it out like that way. Okay. So here degree is 3. Here degree is what? What is the degree over here? Tell me, Sai. What is the
1.
degree for
1.
3? Is it 1 or 0?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
0.
0.
0, because x to the power nothing is there. 3 is nothing but 3x to the power 0. So this degree is 0 for this. Here degree is what? 1. Here degree is what? 2. Right. So what is the maximum degree over here, children?
3.
So the answer would be 3. Understood, everyone? How to find?
Yes, sir.
So don't confuse over here. We have to just see. We are seeing the maximum degree of the polynomial. So here we are having only 2 terms. So which is the maximum over here? 2. So 2 is the correct answer. Don't say 3 and all, okay? I hope now it's clear to everyone.
Yes,
Something
sir.
you are understanding. New things you are understanding, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Anirudh, tell me what is the answer for the second one?
Sir, 1.
1. Okay. Anyone else? Any different answers from 1, or you don't know something? Aditi, same answer.
Yes, sir.
Next, Aman, Sai.
Sir, 2.
Plus 1 only.
2. Aditi, how it is 1? Tell me now.
Sir, it's for C1, sir, 2.
How it is 2? Or how it is 1? I'll explain. You have to explain one by one. Tell me, Aditi, how you are saying 2 over here or 1? How you are saying 2 or 1? Tell me.
Yes, sir. So here, so 2 is basically raised to the power of 0, sir, because 2 to the power of 0 should be equal to 2. So here 2 is raised to the power.
2 to the power 0 equals to 2, you are saying.
Oh, sorry. 2 raised to the power of 1, sir. Because, yeah, 2 raised to the power of 0 will become 1. So, yeah, 2 raised to the power of 1
Yes.
would be 2.
Would be 2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. All right. After this.
And 1 by x raised to the power, so it's basically x raised to the power of -1. So then 1 by x will actually be raised to the power of 1.
Okay. So which polynomial you are considering over here?
So sorry.
What is the polynomial considering over here? I'm saying which
So 1, sir.
1.
Yes, sir.
So remember degree we are just seeing for here 2 is nothing but 2x to the power 0, right? We can't write 2 to the power 1 something. We should not see the degree of this 2. We have to see the
Okay.
degree of variable, not for the constant term. Constant term is means degree is 0. Understood? Constant
Okay.
degree is what? 0. Try to try to understand here concept. Degree you are considering, see 2 is there. What is the degree for this? Degree is 0. Why? Because 2x to the power 0, that is, you should see the variable x, the variable power,
Okay.
not the
Okay.
constant term one.
Yes, sir. Okay.
And actually, in this case, there is no degree only. We can't divide. Degree is not defined for this. Why? Degree is not defined. Why? Because this is not a polynomial. Understood? So if any polynomial is not there, we can't define the degree. Clear?
Yes,
We
sir.
can't define the
Yes.
degree for what about degree of second one, C part?
Sir, this is not a polynomial.
3xy is not a polynomial. Why?
Oh, sorry. Okay. So even monomials are polynomials. Yeah, sorry.
2.
So yeah, it has to be 2.
Next D part,
0.
0.
0.
0. All right. What about this one?
Yes.
Well, you try this one. Last one you have to answer.
Plus
man.
6.
Okay, 6. Anyone else? Anyone else? So, Aman, who told 6 over here?
So me.
Okay, Sai told 6. How 6, Sai?
Here y power 3 plus x power 3 equals to whole power 6. No, sir.
Yeah, we have to open this bracket first, okay? So y to the power 3 plus, very good,
Wha-
x to the power 3. So see here, there are two terms over here. First term is having power 3. Second term is having power 6. Degree is 6.
6.
So degree of the polynomial is what? 6. Correct answer. Clear to everyone? Anyone having doubt? Small questions. We have to be careful with all these, right?
Yes.
Clear or doubt? Tell me fast.
Clear, sir.
You know factorization. You have read factorization before. In class 8 and all, you read factorization,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Okay. So I'll give before factorization question. You just answer me, okay? So x square plus 5x plus 6. Factorize and tell me.
Sir, x plus 2, x plus 3.
X plus 2, x plus 3. All right. Anyone else? So this is the product, right? This both is what? Product. So this is a form of ax square plus bx plus c, right? So this both we call it as product. We call it as what? Product. And this middle part is what? Sum. All right.
Yes, sir.
So like that only you have to do here. See, in this case, what is the product? 6x square is the product. What is sum here, Anirudh? Sum is plus 5x. So what we can write two numbers such that on multiplying we should get 6 square, on adding we should get 5x.
5x.
Sir, 2x plus 3x.
So 3x and 2x. All right. So in place of 5x, we are just keeping it as 3x and 2x, just like x square plus 3x plus 2x and plus 6. So x common, x plus 3, 2 common, x plus 3. So what is the answer for this? X plus 3 again
X
common
plus
is
1.
plus 2. So what Sai told, that is very exactly correct. Absolutely correct over here. All of you know all this, or shall I still teach you in detail? Anyone who is not able to understand this part? Aman, you know all this?
Yes, sir.
Anirudh,
Yes, sir.
Aditi, it's clear?
Yes, sir.
So another question I'll give it to you right now. If you understood, or you can give me this this factorize the next part over here. X square minus x minus 6 or plus x minus 6 will do. What is the answer for this? Tell me now. For the second question. X square plus x and minus 6. Splitting the middle term first, you tell. Splitting the middle term. X square plus x minus 6. Yes, tell me.
Sir, x minus 2 or x plus 3.
Okay, x minus 2, x plus 3. Anyone else? So here, those who are not understanding or something are getting delayed, let's try to understand. Minus 6x
Yes.
square is the what? This is product, right? Sum is plus x. So this is first one, the second one. We have to split into two parts. You should write here plus 3x and minus 2x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
If you add this both, you will get plus x. If you multiply, you'll get minus x square. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So we have to just replace this 2 in place of what? Plus x. All right. So right here x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. All right.
Yes, sir.
X common, x plus 3, 2 common, x plus 3. Now you are saying that here is minus, here you are writing plus. How? How you are writing here?
Plus of minus is minus.
Exactly. So plus of minus is minus. That's why writing here plus. Clear? Sai, you know all this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
X plus 3 and x minus 2. Now third question I'll give it to you right now. X square minus 3x minus 40. X square minus 3x minus 40. Just do just 1 minute.
Sir, I got my answer.
All you got the answer for this? Sai, what is the answer?
Yes, sir.
Say.
Sir, 1 second.
Sir, x minus 8, x plus 5.
Yeah. So x square. See, you should write here plus 8. What is right? Minus 8x and plus 5x, right? And minus 40. So x in bracket, what is right? X minus 8 plus 5, x minus 8. So x plus 5 and x minus 8. Final answer is this, right? Aman, it's clear.
Yes, sir.
Next question is question number 4. 2x square minus x minus 10. 2x square minus x minus 10. Factorize this part. 2x square minus x. All of you just do all these questions. Okay. Question number 5, you may not understand. I'll just write here. Write root 2x square and plus. What I should tell?
Sir, I got my answer for the fourth one.
Fourth one you got, okay, all right. So root part, you know, root part you don't know, I think, right? So right here, root 2x square, and then plus root 8 over right here. And here I write it as pi x. All of you do right now. Second part.
Yes, sir.
Who got the second answer? Tell me fast. Anirudh, Aman, and Aditi. Now all of three on the camera now. Aman, Anirudh, you got Sai for the third, fifth one answer. Fifth one,
Yes.
Sai, tell me. Fifth one, you got the answer, Sai.
Sir, 2 root 2.
2 root 2. No, just two parts we are getting, no? First part and second part. In first part, what are you getting? Second part, what are you getting? Tell me. Aditi, what is the answer for the fifth part? Anyone solved question number fifth?
Sir, I'm still doing it.
Fourth one you're done, right, Aditi? Fourth one you're done.
Yes,
no?
sir.
What is the
Yes,
answer
sir.
for fourth one?
2x minus 5, x plus 2.
Okay, fine. So here we should write 2x square minus 5x and plus 4x minus 10, right?
Yes, sir.
So here common is only x over here. The 2x minus 5
X
plus
plus 2.
4 means 2x minus 5. So 2x minus 5 and x plus 4 you're getting, no? How we got x plus 2? I don't know.
X plus 4, sir.
4, no? Yeah.
So 1 second.
Check it out. This is x plus 4. It's not x plus 2. Yeah, 2, you are correct, Aditi.
Sir, yeah, okay, yes, sir.
So here 2 will be there. So x plus 2. So 2x minus 5 and x plus 2. Yeah, Sai, tell me the fifth answer.
So wait, sir, I'm doing.
All right. Anyone who is just not understanding this fifth part, shall I just solve over here? See, first you try to understand what is product. What is product over here? Root 8 and root 2 becomes what? Root 16x square. The answer is only 4x square, right? Do you understand? It should be 4x square. Product should be what? 4x square. And sum is 5x. So what should be this both splitting the middle term? What should be this both terms? It's very easy now, right?
So it should be the numbers 1 and 4, sir.
Yeah,
So,
4x and x.
4x, yes, sir.
So now put the values here, root 2x square plus 4x plus x plus root 8. So anyone can tell me what is the common between these first two terms? What is common between the first two terms and last two terms? Yes, tell me. What is common?
So 2x.
2x is common in first two. Only root 2 is there. How it become 2 common?
X.
Oh, okay. So only x. then.
X.
Root 2 also can be common. Root 2x is common. But how? How will get to know? Suppose you are not getting exam, you should do like this.
Okay. So
4x,
4x root 2x will be 2.
So we
I
can
mean,
write it
2.
as root 2 into x. For 4x, what we can write, children? 2 into x, right?
2 into X.
Yes, sir.
22 into X.
But see, nothing, we can't write common anything. So we should write here root 2. Here root 2, again more 2 we should write. So that this becomes 4. See, root 2 become 2. 2 2s are 4. All right. So
Yes.
common is root 2. Your understanding is 4x part. Try to understand once again. So 4 can be written as 2 into x, right? Again, 2 can be written as root 2. This 2 we are writing as it is. It's clear how it is to become 4x. Root 2
Yes,
is
sir.
only 2. Root 2, product
yes,
of
sir.
root 2 and root 2 is only 2. Try to understand. New concept for you people might be, okay? So anything coming under root twice will come out a single time. Understood? So in place of 2, I have written here root 2 and root 2 2 times. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Aman,
sir.
it's clear to you? Aman, can you hear me? It's clear to you?
Yes, sir.
See, there are two things common. What is there here? Root 2 is x. Root 2x is common. And bracket part we can write x plus 2 root 2. Clear or not? See? So in first line, what is pending? X. Second line, what is pending? 2 root x. 2 root 2. Sorry. X plus 2 root 2. So can you write here? X plus 2 root 2x. Here x will not come. Here only this much will come. Okay. Tell me this part is clear or not? This part is only maybe you are not able to understand. Clear or not? Now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now from the second part, what is common from the second part? Nothing is common. Nothing is common means 1 is always common for them, right?
Yes, sir.
So x plus root 8. So this root 8 and this both are same only. Try to understand. Root 8 and 2 root 2 is what? Exactly same. How exactly same? See here, if you take the
Yes.
root of 8, no, here 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are. So this is pair, right? The 2 is a pair and this 2 is only root 2. So answer is what? 2 root 2. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So answer is 2 root 2. So here what is the answer for this? X plus 2 root 2. And other bracket we can write it as root 2x plus 1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So like this, we have today what we have learned. We have learned what is polynomial. From starting, just go through once. What is polynomial? How to identify the polynomial? Again, it's classification of polynomials. Then we have what is the degree? How to determine the degree of the polynomial? And few factorization we have learned of the how to factorize the things. Clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
just share
sir.
all these details to your this thing WhatsApp group. Just you go through it once, okay? If you're having doubt, you can ask. All right.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
next
sir.
class we have class on Tuesday. Tomorrow you want test based on this, children?
Okay.
Tomorrow, based on this, we may have test based on polynomials itself. All right. Fine.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what I taught you today, basic concept will be this only. Tomorrow we have test around not much. I'll give very less questions only because this was the first class and you all learned not that much. So how much you learned? We just around 10 questions will be there. All right.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that's for today. Thank you all for joining. See you on Tuesday. All right.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, children. Bye.
Thank you, sir.